All right, so we're on the passenger side. We've got a good connection here. Wires are run through the door, coming out through the panel right here. You've got your purple and blue as your switch lights, and your black is your ground. So if you come over here, we've got the blue to signal the ground, and blue to signal ground right here. So we're gonna put negative, positive.
We do that. The blue and ground on the wire.
Blue is for ground, blue is for ground. So we're gonna take this, put it on the negative, take the hot wire, put it on the positive, and we can see the turn signal and the puddle light are well illuminated. All right, so now we're gonna go look on the driver's side, which is not working, and show the same thing. We've got a good connection right here. Same thing, run through the door, through the quarter panel, from up here. And we've got brown to signify ground, yellow to signify hot. We're gonna touch brown to ground, yellow to hot, and we're gonna see that it is not illuminating. Neither the puddle nor the turn signal are working. And we've got a very strong connection here. So that's the issue.